Hi guys, I'm Hang from abroad. So we're here today at HITC building and we're going to meet two interns working as IT security interns at Nashtech, and let's join me today and see what they're doing.
I'm Binsong.
Hi Binsong.
I'm from Republic Poly from Singapore. Currently I'm in Nashtech doing IT security, which doing wide range of security stuff, mostly about web applications.
I'm Derek,
Hi. Hi you.
Hi. So currently studying Republic Polytechnic, and here in Nashtech doing IT security. And so as what Binsong said, we are doing mostly on web application security.
What we are learning in Nashtech for the past few months is the advanced scripting using Python, doing CTS, capture the flag, and some of the vulnerability in web applications.
Besides all those, also we actually learn more in depth compared to what we learned in school. For example, SQL injection, cross-site scripting, more on pen testing side, as well as fuzzing web application as well.
My favorite phrase is sorry in Vietnamese, which is Xin lỗi.
Xin lỗi?
Who
does it? Is that?
Because it's very universal, everyone can understand.
What about you?
For me it's come on.
Come on.
Yeah, everywhere.
One is sorry and one is thank you.
Thank you, come on.
What else? Just that?
Maybe counting 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
More high bar.
I think that for all the interns that is coming, they should be able to accept constructive feedbacks and able to work as a team in general. Because Nashtech is a big company that has many small projects to do. These two are the criteria that I think is the most needed one.
What about Derek?
For me is that since you're in a new environment, it's better to be open-minded, to accept new things in life, and as well as being act as much. Means as you go along, you absorb as much knowledge as possible, because our mentors are actually quite nice. They are willing to give more if you are willing to learn more. So yeah.
There are a wide range of clubs in the company, such as coffee making, playing games, and soccer.
And anyway, we also have a quite cool. We got billiard table.
Billiard?
Yeah, for us to workers during break time to come in and play.
So to prepare for the student from Singapore attend the intern program, we prepare the people who will play the supervisor roles, and also we prepare the list of the topics that we expect to provide to the student. At the moment, we provide for the first batch of the student, we provide the very good engineer to play the supervisor roles, and I strongly believe that the student might already pick up some of the good topic from those people. When I saw them 4 months ago and when I see them today, they became more confident. I believe that they already pick up something from the engineer that are their supervisor. But on top of that, I believe that they learn much about Vietnamese culture, and that will definitely benefit their career growth in the future. My advice is you don't have to prepare much about the technical knowledge, but for the culture and a little bit about Vietnamese language, even 1 or 2 sentences that might have making the engagement between the student and the existing engineer become better.
Thank you guys for being here today for this interview. Okay, cảm ơn.